My transformation after doing 100 push-ups every day for 1 month. Congratulations on completing the 100 push-ups per day challenge for a month. That's a significant accomplishment and likely speaks to your dedication and commitment to improving your health and fitness. Now, let's talk about what transformations you might expect to see after completing this challenge. Increased strength. One of the most noticeable changes you may experience is an increase in upper body strength. Doing 100 push-ups every day for a month would have undoubtedly challenged and strengthened your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. Muscle definition. As your muscles become stronger and more toned, you may start to see increased definition in your chest, shoulders, and arms. This can give your upper body a more sculpted appearance. Improved endurance. Performing 100 push-ups daily requires significant muscular endurance. After a month of consistent training, you may find that you can perform more push-ups in a single set without feeling as fatigued. Better posture. Strengthening your chest and shoulder muscles can also improve your posture by pulling your shoulders back and opening up your chest. This can help alleviate common issues like rounded shoulders and forward head posture. Increased confidence. Successfully completing a fitness challenge like this can boost your confidence and self-esteem. Knowing that you've committed to and achieved a goal can have a positive impact on other areas of your life as well. Overall fitness improvement. While the focus of the challenge is on push-ups, you may also experience improvements in your overall fitness level. Regular exercise has a wide range of benefits, including better cardiovascular health, increased energy levels, and improved mood. It's important to note that individual results may vary depending on factors such as starting fitness level, diet, sleep quality, and genetics. Additionally, while the 100 push-ups per day challenge can be a great way to kickstart your fitness journey, it's essential to continue challenging yourself with a variety of exercises and maintain a balanced approach to fitness and nutrition for long-term success. Lastly, remember to celebrate your achievements and use them as motivation to continue striving towards your fitness goals.